Understanding label encoding with code examples. In this video we will try to explain label encoding with pandas library and sklearn library in Python. Let's start first pandas. First, we import the pandas library, which helps us work with tables of data called data frames. Import pandas as PD. Next we create some sample data. This data has an education column with different education levels: high school, bachelor, master, PhD, and bachelor. Here, DF is our data frame with 5 rows of education data. We want to convert these education categories into numbers. This is called label encoding. It makes the data easier for machine learning models to use. We use pandas built-in method to convert the education column to a category type, then get the numerical codes for each unique value. A type, category, changes the data type to category. Cat.codes gets the integer codes representing each category. And we print the updated data frame. Printf. Let's look for output explanation. High school is encoded as 0. Bachelor is encoded as 1. Master is encoded as 2. PhD is encoded as 3. Notice that bachelor appears twice and both times it gets the same number 1. Now let's look label encoding using scikit-learn. First, we import the label encoder class from the scikit-learn library. From sklearn.preprocessing import label encoder. We create the same sample data as a list. High school, bachelor, master, PhD, bachelor. Then we create an instance of the label encoder. Label_encoder equals label encoder. Next, we use the fit_transform method to learn the categories and convert them to integers in one step. Encoded_labels equals label_encoder.fit_transform data. Lastly, we print the encoded labels. When we look output, we see this array corresponds exactly to the encoded values from pandas. High school equals 0. Bachelor equals 1. Master equals 2. PhD equals 3. Bachelor equals 1. As a summary, label encoding changes each unique category into a number. This is important because most machine learning models work only with numbers, not text. Both pandas and scikit-learn provide easy ways to do label encoding. The encoded numbers are consistent for repeated categories. Thanks for watching. In the next video we will learn one hot encoding technique by coding. See you in the next video.